JP, the cameraman. I'm with Belle right here. We got this sick view. Got our groupies on the chairlift right here. We're doing dangerous things, people. We're out here last day. We're ready to play. Let's go.
Let's get her done.
So, 4 days in Aspen, Colorado, over Thanksgiving break. Heather was here for 3 of them. What did we learn here, folks? We learned we love to ski. We love to snowboard. Heather likes to snowboard. Heather needs work with snowboarding. And we learned that we are the best trio that's ever hit this gosh darn mountain. So you remember it, and that's a wrap, baby. Try my cookie back.